Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create an absolutely stunning, twisted cylinder structure in Blender. And trust me, it's a lot easier than it looks. Alright, let's dive right in. First, hit Shift+A, add a cylinder, and scale it nice and tall along the Z-axis. Now jump into Edit mode, select that top face, and press I to inset it. Just move it up a little bit, give it some shape, and inset it again to add a little more detail. Then move down to the bottom face and do the same thing. A quick inset. Now select both the top and bottom faces, right-click, and bridge those faces together. Beautiful. Before we move on, press Ctrl+A and apply all transforms. Next, let's add some loop cuts at the top and bottom to give us a little more control. If you have any extra vertices hanging around, just delete them to keep it nice and clean. Add another loop cut through the middle, and now here's the fun part. Select 4 faces, 2 from the front and 2 from the back. Right-click and bridge them too. It's starting to look really cool now. Right-click your model and set it to Shade Auto Smooth for that clean, polished look. Press Shift+A, add an empty with plain axes, and go back to your cylinder. Add an Array Modifier, uncheck Relative Offset, check Object Offset, and use the eyedropper to pick the empty. Then select the empty itself, rotate it 90 degrees on the Z-axis, and suddenly, boom! You've got a whole pattern starting to form. Increase the array count to however many copies you want, and when you're happy, apply the modifier. Head back into Edit mode, press A to select everything, go to Mesh, Clean Up, and Merge by Distance to fix up any overlapping vertices. Right-click, Shade Auto. Smooth one more time, and you're almost done. Finally, if you want that extra buttery smoothness, add another Subdivision modifier. Now head over to the Modifier tab, add a Simple Deform, and set it to Twist. And just like magic, you'll see your model start to spiral. And there you have it, a beautiful, flowing, twisted structure, perfect for fantasy scenes, sci-fi models, or whatever your imagination dreams up. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Blender magic, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.